Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly. At the moment we've got 4 items, CP item 4, there's 3 others, and then CP item 4, it comes from this format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 more. So add item 5 and 6. Okay, I'm going to save that, and then we go back to here. So now master data, I'm going to say master data import, choose the file. Okay, so when we go there, choose that file, it will load the data in here so we can see it. You see item 5 and 6 is added here now. So we say proceed to database, and it will tell us items imported successfully. Now this process will take a long time. Well, not long, but relatively long. It's not instant when you've got thousands of items, because it checks each item individually whether it's in the database already or not. So it will only import the items if it's not in the database already. So if we go back to view the master data, you'll see that item 5 and 6 has been imported as well. Okay, so this format definitely works, and you can edit it in Excel any way you want.